Alright, check it out. I'm telling you guys need to try these flat tips. These Graco flat tips. I'm gonna show you how to set it up. So usually your Rack X reverser tips go here. Just take that housing off, the orange one, the blue one. I think there's a black one. Just take that off. And then you need this. It's a cone filter housing. It's made by Graco. Then you have your cone filter. Shit. You have your cone filter. So you put the cone filter in here. Then you need 2 of these washers. These little white washers. So you put one in here, and it makes it a lot easier if you take a little bit of water and just rub it on there like that. Then you screw this in just like you would your Rack X or reverser tip, whatever they're called. The only difference is this is you're gonna need to make sure you tighten it down all the way, not just hand tight. So just get it on there snug. Alright, this is the last part that you need. So this is the flat tip guard or housing. So it usually has like an orange tip on it, just like the reversible tips, you know, that orange guard, but I cut it off because I don't like it. It builds up paint. But alright, so there's your cone filter. So take the guard piece like this, put your tip, push it through like that. Then you put the second washer in here. And then you just screw this in. Same thing, can't hand tighten it, you just gotta get you a little wrench and just make sure it's on there nice and snug. But yeah, that's how you set up your flat tips. These tips cost about $5 a piece. Alright, check it. This is why I'm telling you to use these damn flat tips. Look, no overspray on this. You see? Watch. I mean, you can still get overspray, but it's a lot more controllable. Alright. no overspray. These tips are about $5 and you use way less material versus the fucking $40 Rack X tips. I'm telling you, try the fucking flat tips, man. The flat tips, man.